Empowering employees to collaborate in real time is essential to the manufacturing industry. Let's look at how factory team members can use Microsoft Teams Frontline worker apps to overcome a product design issue. Sam, a factory service technician, is repairing equipment at a customer site, and she notices that a frequently replaced part has a design issue. She uses her device to take a picture of the design issue and sends it to product engineer Arjun via Teams app. Arjun uses his device to add notes to Sam's picture and share it in his engineering team's channel. The product team tweaks the part design to resolve the issue and uploads the updated product schematics on SharePoint. Arjun starts a Teams chat with Ajmal, the factory manager, and Jane, the operations manager, and sends them a secure link to the updated schematics. Ajmal and Jane review the updated schematics and develop a new production workflow for the modified product. Ajmal uses Teams to share the new workflow with Lily, the shift lead. Lily and Jeff review the changes to the production process and schedule a Teams meeting with other factory workers to discuss the new workflow for the improved product. They update the workflow steps in their 3D guided procedures app, Vesper, to show employees on the factory floor how to implement them. Empowering employees to collaborate with coworkers across the organization without leaving the factory floor not only accelerates issue resolution, but also enables agile production and innovation.